Multiple intelligence sources have reported that Russian personnel have traveled to Iran to train on the Fath 360 ballistic missile system. Russia may be preparing to integrate the Iranian-made ballistic missiles into its military arsenal. The Fath 360 is an Iranian mobile surface-to-surface ballistic missile, known for its precision, supersonic speed, and a range of 120 to 150 kilometers. The Fath 360 is a mobile missile defense system capable of launching ballistic missiles with a maximum range of 120 kilometers (75 miles) and a 150 kilogram warhead. Designed for precision strikes, the Fath 360 is noted for its ability to hit closer range targets with high accuracy. This makes it particularly useful for Russia, which already has an extensive array of long-range ballistic missiles. A ballistic missile is a type of missile that is propelled during the initial phase of its flight by a rocket engine and then follows a predetermined curved trajectory, largely under the influence of gravity, as it travels towards its target. These missiles can be launched from various platforms, including land-based silos, mobile launchers, submarines, or aircraft. Ballistic missiles are capable of carrying conventional or nuclear warheads over short, medium, or long distances, ranging from a few hundred kilometers to intercontinental ranges of over 10,000 kilometers. Their high speed and ability to deliver powerful warheads make them a significant component of modern military arsenals and a central element in global strategic deterrence. According to military experts, the acquisition of the Fath 360 ballistic missile system could allow Russia to diversify its missile deployment strategies. One intelligence source suggested that the training of Russian personnel on the Fath 360 system is a clear indicator that actual missile deliveries could be imminent. This move underscores the strategic importance of the missile system for Russia. Since the war in Ukraine began in February 2022, the relationship between Iran and Russia has transformed into a robust strategic alliance with significant implications for regional and global geopolitics. This deepening partnership is driven by a convergence of shared interests, particularly in countering Western influence, navigating around international sanctions, and enhancing military capabilities. One of the most visible aspects of this collaboration has been in the military domain. Shortly after the conflict erupted, reports indicated that Iran had begun supplying Russia with unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), specifically the Shahd 136 drones. These drones, known for their cost-effectiveness and operational flexibility, have been extensively utilized by Russian forces in Ukraine. They serve dual purposes: reconnaissance and as loitering munitions, which can hover over a battlefield before attacking targets. The Shahd 136s have enabled Russia to maintain pressure on Ukrainian forces while conserving more advanced and costly weaponry. The recent revelations about Russia's interest in acquiring the Iranian Fath 360 missile system further highlight the evolving military ties between the two nations. The Fath 360, designed for precision strikes with a range of 120 kilometers, could significantly bolster Russia's tactical options in Ukraine. Russian personnel have already begun training in Iran to operate this system, suggesting that Moscow is preparing to integrate these missiles into its military operations. The acquisition of the Fath 360 would allow Russia to allocate its more advanced missiles for distant targets while using the Iranian missiles for closer engagements, thereby enhancing its operational flexibility and sustainability in the conflict. Economic collaboration between Iran and Russia has also intensified as both countries face severe international sanctions.